Hey you guys, my name is Manish. It's a brand new week and a brand new episode of your favorite show, Planet Bollywood, where we bring you all the latest news, views, and updates from the world of Bollywood and social media. But for those of you who really want minute by minute and on the go updates about your favorite celebrities, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page. In the meanwhile, let's kickstart the show.
The tussle between Sushant's family and Rhea Chakrabarti is taking new turns day by day. Vicky Kaushal snapped outside Katrina Kaif's residence as he spent Sunday with rumored lady love. Team Kangana Ranaut takes digs at Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone. Varun Dhawan and Kiara Advani spotted at Karan Johar's office in Mumbai. Bollywood goes in unlock mode as film shoots resume. आखिर क्या है सच और क्या है झूठ? We bring you the top 5 updates from the Sushant Singh Rajput case as they unfold. Number 1. Rhea has appeared before the Enforcement Directorate today to answer further questions about transactions involving Sushant Singh Rajput's accounts. Number 2. An unverified video of Disha Salian allegedly from the night before her demise goes viral. Number 3. Siddharth Pithani, who has been making masked appearances on news channels, is also to be interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate. Number 4. Sushant's sister has responded to the chats between Rhea and Sushant and said he was closest to Priyanka. Shiv Sena politician Sanjay Raut alleges Sushant was not close to his family, especially his father. Number 5. Sushant was allegedly taken to a doctor by Rhea on the advice of Mahesh Bhatt, alleges his family friend.
Things seem to be getting more and more murky in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, with half-baked truths and conflicting claims coming out. Now, up until recently, there has been an offline battle between Sushant Singh Rajput's family and Rhea Chakrabarti, which now has been taken to a more public platform online, with them pointing fingers at each other, accusing each other of being the cause for Sushant's untimely death. Now, there have also been repeated attempts at linking Sushant's former manager, Disha Salian's death, to the late actor, which, by the way, incidentally had disturbed Sushant quite a bit just a week before his passing. अब आखिर सच क्या है ये शायद इतनी आसानी से पता नहीं चलेगा, but for now, here's the story.
Rhea Chakrabarti appeared before the Enforcement Directorate again today as investigations against her and her brother Shauvik continue for allegations of money laundering and misuse of Sushant Singh Rajput's funds. According to officials, Rhea, Shruti और Shauvik के statements Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) के अंडर रिकॉर्ड किए गए हैं. It is extremely unfortunate that despite her parents' repeated requests, conspiracy theories continue to be created around Disha's demise. A video has now emerged on social media which was allegedly filmed at a house party the night before Disha's passing. Lekin the source and authenticity of the video is yet to be verified. The police in the meanwhile have denied reports that Disha was undressed when she was found after her demise by the police, and also clarified that the last person Disha called was not Sushant.
दिशा सालियन के परिवार का ये कहना है कि कोई भी हादसा नहीं हुआ, उन्होंने पुलिस को कोई भी कंप्लेंट देने से मना किया है, उनके दबाव है किसका? जब आईपीएस ऑफिसर को क्वारंटाइन कर सकते आते ही है तो बेचारी गरीब फैमिली होगी, प्रेशर आज क्या होगा? अभी उन लोग समझते मर गई, अभी आपने को क्या मिलने वाला है, उससे चुप बैठा अच्छा है.
Siddharth Pithani, who has been making many appearances on news channels to narrate events from the day of Sushant's demise, has also been called by the ED in relation to the money laundering case. Siddharth is also in the spotlight for being perhaps the first person to discover Sushant after his demise and for living in the same home as the actor when he passed away. Sushant's sister Shweta has responded to Rhea, sharing chats that portray her sister Priyanka in poor light. Shweta, who shared the video of a billboard in the US demanding justice for Sushant, shared a video where Sushant talks about being closest to his sister Priyanka, and also shared a social media post where she wrote, "We will get justice, we will find the truth. Hashtag warriors for Sushant Singh Rajput, hashtag justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, hashtag God is with us." This comes as politician Sanjay Raut alleged that Sushant was not close to his family, especially his father, who was spotted with his sister Rani Singh when they met Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. Sushant's family friend had alleged that Rhea took Sushant to a doctor on the advice of Mahesh Bhatt. Mr. Bhatt's name has cropped up multiple times due to his proximity to Rhea and echoes Sushant's family's allegations about her giving Sushant incorrect medication. Rhea and her brother are also facing a new allegation of changing the domain name and IP address of the company's website where Sushant, Rhea and her brother were directors. We will keep you updated on developments, but it's safe to say that many more skeletons will tumble out of the closet before we find the truth. Looks like the war has begun between Rhea Chakrabarti and Sushant Singh Rajput's family after the actor released screenshots of messages exchanged between her and Sushant where he refers to his sister as pure evil.
Yeah, ma'am. आपकी गाड़ी खड़ी है. Celebrity हो.
Rhea has been under attack from Sushant's family, who have accused her of financial misappropriation and causing Sushant mental, physical and emotional distress. Rhea has been accused of stealing up to 15 crores from Sushant's bank accounts, administering wrong medicines and deliberately distancing the actor from his family. But Rhea, who recently shared pictures of a diary entry supposedly made by Sushant, where he writes he is grateful for Rhea and her family and a sipper bottle which was a part of the Chichore movie merchandise, claims that unke paas Sushant ka aur koi saman nahi hai.
Rhea Chakrabarti, who was interrogated by the Enforcement Directorate and is one of the names filed in an FIR by the CBI, has decided to mount her battle against Sushant's family that has blamed her for driving Sushant to take this extreme step. Now, recently, Rhea ने अपने और सुशांत के chats एक news channel के साथ share किए हैं, making this a very ugly and public battle. Here's the story.
After screenshots of the chat message exchange between Sushant's family members went public on a news channel, it seems the actor has decided to not shy away from embarrassing Sushant's sister either. She has now shared screenshots of chats between her and Sushant where he seems upset with his sister Priyanka. Earlier, Sushant's father's lawyer Vikas Singh had said that Rhea had accused Sushant's sister of molesting her and tried to drive a wedge between the siblings. Mr. Singh had said Sushant was closest to his sister Priyanka, and in one day, their relationship suffered a deep crack. Post that incident, they didn't talk for months, till November 2019, where Sushant called Priyanka and said sorry in a broken tone and asked her to visit him ASAP. In the message shared by Rhea, Sushant has written to her about her family. Your family is very epic. Shovik is compassionate, and you too, who are mine. You are a sufficient cause for the inevitable change and respite globally. It will be a pleasure for me to be around you folks. Cheers, my friend, for being a rock star.
Sushant and I are very, very good friends, and he's a lovely guy, and we don't have any controversy with each other.
It seems Sushant had also shared the messages he had sent his sister with Rhea, where he accuses her of playing the victim to cover up and calls her, or what she did, pure evil. Accusing her of going against what their mother taught them, Sushant writes, to Priyanka, you do this after the shameful act, making this a cover-up to attract attention, playing the victim card to the most non-negotiable act of molestation under the influence of alcohol. If you're blinded by your ego, God bless you, because I'm not afraid, and I will continue doing what I've done till now in bringing out the necessary changes in the world. Let God and nature decide what act is right now. This is an unfortunate situation indeed for a family's life to be splashed across the media like this. But with a CBI inquiry coming up and an ED probe ongoing, it seems like the war of words has only begun. We can't keep calm because Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif spent a day together. बड़ी लंबी जुदाई के बाद विकी कौशल दिखे अपने रूमर्ड लेडी लव कटरीना कैफ के घर के बाहर, and safe to say the paparazzi had a lot to cheer about, and so did the couple, we're sure.
विकी कौशल और कटरीना कैफ आखिर लॉकडाउन के पिंजरे से फ्री हो ही गए हैं. Well, as cheesy as that line may be, the two stars have had the grapevine buzzing for quite some time now about their rumored relationship, but kept their interaction and PDA on social media during the lockdown to a very minimal and mostly it was formal. But अब जो lockdown lift हो चुका है, विकी का दिल उन्हें सीधे कटरीना की तरफ ले गया. Check out the story.
Vicky has been home with his family all through the lockdown and shared many light-hearted posts about how he is keeping himself occupied. Katrina too has been lockdown buddies with sister Isabel and ended up becoming very popular for her gharelu kaam ke videos, including a poll on the best mops. वैसे लॉकडाउन के दौरान भी विकी एंड कटरीना didn't have any eye-catching comments or reactions to each other's social media posts, only acknowledging each other publicly on their respective birthdays. So it came as a happy surprise when the paparazzi spotted Vicky stepping out of his car with a mask, gloves, and casual clothes, all set to spend some quality time with his K. If you guys remember when Vicky was asked soon after the lockdown began कि जब things normalize वो पहले क्या करेंगे, Vicky ने कहा that he would go meet his loved ones. When asked कि वो loved ones से मिलेंगे या किसी एक खास इंसान से, he laughed it off and said कि वो अपने सारे खास दोस्तों से मिलेंगे. लेकिन 4 months later, it was time for a real celebration. Both for the rumored couple and their fans, जो इन दो good-looking stars को एक साथ देखने के लिए wait कर रहे हैं. Though they have never commented on their dating rumors, Vicky and Katrina कई बार एक साथ spot किए गए हैं, including pictures from a dinner together that went viral. They were spotted dancing together at a holy bash, and हम आपको याद दिलाएं that Katrina and her sister Isabel were also invited to the screening of Vicky's film Bhoot, जहां दोनों एक साथ बात करते हुए दिखाई दिए.
वरुण भाई इधर वरुण भाई आराम से वरुण भाई
Looks like Kiara Advani and Varun Dhawan are going to announce some good news very soon. The two stars were spotted exiting Karan Johar's office where they reportedly signed the dotted line for a new project directed by Kiara's Good News director Raj Mehta. Kiara incidentally had a cameo in Kalank opposite Varun, but the two have never been seen as the lead pair in a film before. But with both these actors having proven their mettle in comic and dramatic roles, it will be interesting to see कि आखिर उन्हें अगर स्क्रिप्ट ऑफर की गई है तो उसका जॉनर क्या होगा.
His last film, Kalank, didn't do very good business at the box office, and his next film is Coolie #1, which has been pushed all the way to December 2020. But it seems like Varun Dhawan is all set to start 2021 with a brand new film in hand and a brand new leading lady. Now, if rumors are to be believed, Varun Dhawan will be paired alongside or opposite Kiara L. Advani in a brand new Dharma film. Now, Kiara is coming off back-to-back hits in Good News and, of course, Kabir Singh. Here's the story.
According to sources close to the project, Raj Mehta has signed Varun Dhawan and Kiara Advani in this fun film, and the two will be romantically paired alongside each other. The duo signed the dotted line on Friday at Karan Johar's office in Bandra. Raj Mehta's debut film Good News had A-list stars like Kareena Kapoor Khan and Akshay Kumar and ended up becoming a huge success at the box office, with audiences enjoying the balance of humor and dramatic moments. Kiara had also received great reviews for holding her own against experienced actors like Kareena and Akshay. Looks like Kiara is Raj's lucky charm, क्योंकि अपने दूसरे स्क्रिप्ट के लिए भी he has selected her in a fresh pairing opposite Varun, who needs a big hit after Kalank underperformed at the box office. Interesting बात ये है that Varun and Kiara were supposed to star opposite each other in Shashank Khaitan's Mr. Lele, but the film was later shelved. But as luck would have it, the two found another project to work on together, and with the two clicked by the paparazzi emerging from Karan Johar's office, it's possible that this may be another Dharma film with its favorite proteges.
वरुण भाई थैंक यू भाई
More details are expected, but after many difficult months in B-Town, news of new projects getting a green light is a hopeful sign indeed. हम सब की तरह ही सेलिब्रिटीज भी कई महीनों से घर पे बैठ के लॉकडाउन रूल्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. But now, with India slowly taking steps back to a new normal, we spotted lots of activity in B-Town from our favorite celebrities as well.
Well, guys, with lockdown restrictions being lifted, B-Town celebrities have been spotted out and about, with some even taking flights to shooting locations. Now, Katrina Kaif was spotted cycling, and Kareena Kapoor Khan was spotted with Chote Nawab Taimur outside his Masi Karishma Kapoor's house. Now, while celebrities are out and about, Abhishek Bachchan came back home after spending almost a month in the hospital recovering from the pandemic-related virus. In the meanwhile, Rana Dugawati married the love of his life, Mihika Bajaj, while other celebrities posted pictures of their cats. If you want to find out who was where and doing what with whom, check out this story.
Katrina, who is one of the fittest and best-looking stars in Bollywood, has decided to try out the newest fitness craze, cycling. Katrina was spotted on the streets of Mumbai with another cyclist. She made sure to wear a mask and gloves as per lockdown rules and seems to be following in the footsteps of her colleagues Salman Khan, Jacqueline Fernandez, Ayushmann Khurrana, and even newbie Sara Ali Khan. लेकिन जहां Katrina stepped out to work out, Kareena Kapoor Khan was spotted with son Taimur when they paid Karishma Kapoor a visit over the weekend. Kareena, who missed meeting her sister for the Kapoor Raksha Bandhan celebration, decided to have a casual lunch with her instead. Kareena और Taimur दोनों ही दिखे casually dressed, but with their matching masks in place. Some Bollywood personalities stepped out, but others like poor Abhishek Bachchan finally came back home after almost a month in the hospital. Abhishek was welcomed in true big sister style by Shweta, जिन्होंने एक adorable throwback photo share किया of Abhishek on a toy car. But while there was love for her little brother, she trolled her own son Agastya for his comment, "Dhoom Dhoom," saying he needed to be more original. It's great to see that after so many months of staying put at home, our Bollywood celebrities finally seem to be getting back to a new normal, one activity at a time. Kabhi pot shots, kabhi pride. Kangana is definitely leaving her social media followers puzzled. The actor, who has been targeting colleagues from Bollywood almost on a daily basis in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, actually shared a story on her social media page expressing pride that the top female actors of the country, as per a recent poll, were all married women. But just when we thought that Kangana ka gussa thanda ho gaya hai, she had another nepotism-based attack in store.
Well, guys, it was quite refreshing and rather surprising to see Kangana Ranaut having something positive to say about her female colleagues within the industry, who, by the way, she's had many problems with in the recent few weeks. Now, there was an online poll conducted asking for public opinion about the top female actors in the industry, and topping the list were actors like Deepika Padukone, Priyanka Chopra, Anushka Sharma, and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Now, instead of jumping into a nepotism and lobbying debate, Kangana ने actually इसे एक बहुत ही अच्छा sign बताया है. Check out the story.
The actor, who is still in Manali with her family, has been running an anti-establishment campaign calling out, ironically, an equal number of insiders and outsiders in Bollywood. She has made shocking allegations against filmmakers like Karan Johar and Mahesh Bhatt and lashed out against stars like Taapsee Pannu, Alia Bhatt, Kareena Kapoor Khan and even Deepika Padukone. Nepotism, movie mafia, lobbying and bullying have been Kangana's complaints against the industry, and it seems like there is virtually no one who hasn't insulted or upset the star. Isliye, it came as a surprise when Kangana shared a poll on her social media page about top female actors in Bollywood that also features her incidentally, and wrote as a caption, "They said an actress has a shelf life and even her career is finished after her marriage. Today, India's top actresses are all married, and this is a welcome change in the perception of women. Now we hope for these polls of actors, even acting becomes a criteria." Lekin it was back to regular programming soon enough for Team Kangana Ranaut, who shared another update, and nepotism was back in focus again. Sharing a response to two different social media posts, one by a netizen which talked about how star kids get more opportunities, and another which seemed to shame her for her past. Kangana's team wrote, "अगर इस तरह फीमेल स्टार्स एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करके आगे बढ़े तो बॉलीवुड का नक्शा जरूर बदल सकता